Alright, today's video will be to do maintenance on the Sierra. This is a 2013 Sierra, but these steps apply to the 2007 through 2013 Sierra year models, and the likewise vehicles like the Tahoe, the Suburban, the Silverado, the Yukon, and Terrain, and other GM products. So if you get this message on your dash that says washer fluid low, add fluid. First things first, well, one, you see that message, so that means you need to add fluid. So down here is the hood release, that thing right there. Go ahead and pop that by pulling it up. And I also have my washer fluid right here. And when you open the hood, if you have that said feature, you get a message saying that the hood is opened. Now let's go under the hood. Under the hood on the driver's side, so that is the brake, that is the engine to the left, and right behind the front headlight, you have this windshield washer reservoir. It has this cap on it. Pull the cap up, and you can tuck that thing under the support, and then pour things down in there. I haven't filled this up in a while, so it may take all of this and then some to fill this up. Let's see if we can do this without the funnel. And we're pouring, and I'm not going to bore you with the pouring. Now you can fill it up all the way, but as you can see, I did not go all the way to the top, and I did run out of washer fluid, so what I did was just fill the bottle back up with more water to go in here. Next thing's next. You take your cap, put it back on, click, close your hood, and, oh wait, close the hood. Then you can put your key back in and switch on the ignition to make sure that that message has gone away. And as you see, the washer message is gone. So we are now good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave that down below. And if you have a 2007 to 2013 Sierra, let me know what color yours is by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe.